Hey friends, this is Loretta here, and today I'll teach you how to answer yes/no questions. Be sure that you say them with me. The first one will be do or does questions. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Do you like coffee? No, I don't. Do you like coffee? No, I don't. Does he play soccer? Yes, he does. Does he play soccer? Yes, he does. Does he play soccer? No, he doesn't. Does he play soccer? No, he doesn't. Am, is, are questions. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Are you a student? No, I am not. Are you a student? No, I am not. Is she happy? Yes, she is. Is she happy? Yes, she is. Is she happy? No, she is not. Is she happy? No, she is not. Now I want you to answer this question. Do you speak English? I will ask the question again. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Thanks for studying with me, you guys, and trusting me on your English learning journey. See you next time.